This project is a collaboration between the Royal Shakespeare Company and the Marlow Theatre. The Pilgrims Hospice and Kent Refugee Action Network created 2 songs with us, exploring the themes in Hamlet and discovering Shakespeare for the first time.
Today is a culmination of that work, where we are bringing the 2 communities together here at the Marlow.
We're going to listen to music, we're going to eat some yummy food, and all the artists and practitioners are going to be there together to kind of explore what we've created over the past 3 months.
The facilitators were just so good. There's different languages, there's different levels of English understanding. It was more like, what is something we all understand?
Shakespeare Nation, as a community participation project, is about the opportunity to explore what does it mean to them? What does it mean to their lives?
Majority of the participants do have a life-limiting illness. The joy on their faces was amazing. They couldn't believe that they created such a work of art. It has opened up Shakespeare to the participants.
There's quite a big world to discover in Shakespeare, and I think I've gained a lot in terms of just like meeting new people and just producing something amazing together.
Working with community groups is core to our mission. It's about ensuring that the arts are for everybody.
To have the Marlow and the Royal Shakespeare Company support people that are being marginalised, I think it's really brilliant and makes a huge difference.
Creativity is incredible for well-being. It's a way of being able to express and use your voice.
It's enabled people to come to a space, to feel like what they are going to hear and see tonight is their creation, is their work.
It was really beautiful to see how they got closer as a group and were so proud of themselves. Their song was played at the Marlow. I think that's amazing. So when they walk past, they will look at it and feel a part of it.